Hey, guys. What's all the noise about? Why all the cheering?
A is the very best letter.
The very best letter, bar none.
We truly think no letter's better.
So we're cheering till cheering is done. All together now, let's hear it again for the letter A.
Got it. Lecture A.
Lecture A. Lecture A. Lecture A.
Yeah, all right. Knock it off. Because this is a television station. It's a TV station for all of Sunshine Again. You can't make that kind of noise here.
Why not?
Well, because people are recording things here. And when people are recording, you need to be very quiet.
You have to be very quiet. Ladies and gentlemen, those are the magic words that start off every single episode of America's favorite TV game show. What's that sound? And now, America's favorite handsome and friendly host of America's favorite TV game show, Mr. Slick Buster! Thank you. And now, America watching at home, we welcome you to yet another exciting episode of your absolute favorite loud and soft TV game show, What's That Sound? Where contestants have to choose which way a special sound is, loud or soft.
Well, look, Slick, Mr. Huckster, you really can't make that kind of noise here. It's too darn loud.
Too darn loud? Why, Joe, we haven't even begun playing yet!
Shh, I know. You need to be really quiet because this is a recording studio, a TV studio.
And what better place to tape a live television game show? And now, first up on our show, our first randomly picked contestant will be Mr. Joseph Radio of West Sunshine Again, New York!
What, me? You want me to be a contestant on your show?
You're the next contestant! And now, Joe, what you will do is listen to a special sound. Guess whether that sound is loud or soft. And if you are correct, you will win a fabulous prize!
Listen to a sound. Guess if it's loud or soft. And if I'm right, I win a prize?
That's absolutely correct. You are a very intelligent man, Mr. Sabrino. Are you ready to play?
Let's do it.
That's the spirit, Joe. Now listen carefully because we are about to play you a special sound. Do you recognize the sound?
Yes, I do. It's the sound of a cat purring.
Is it loud or soft?
Soft.
Yes! Joe Sabrino, you are absolutely right! The sound of a cat purring is a soft sound! Absolutely fantastic! Well done! And now your next sound. Listen very carefully, Joseph. Here is your special sound. Joseph, do you recognize the sound?
Yes, that's the sound of water dripping from a faucet.
Is it loud or soft?
Soft.
Well done! And now for your last sound, answer this correctly, Mr. Sobrino, and you will win the fabulous prize. Listen very carefully. This is your final special sound. Do you recognize this sound?
Oh, I sure do. It's the sound of a music box.
Is it loud or soft?
Soft.
Yes! Joe Sabrino, you are absolutely right! The sound of a music box is indeed a soft sound! Absolutely fantastic, well done, and you win the prize!
I do?
Yes, you do indeed, Joe, you have won the prize!
Oh, what's the prize?
Calm down, Mr. Sabrino, and I will tell you! You, sir, for being such a good sport and knowing the difference between loud and soft, will today be taking home a wonderful item that makes a wonderful, wonderful sound!
Well, that's nice, but I hardly think I deserved a really wonderful prize because all I did was guess whether the sound was loud or soft.
That's right, Joe, and that's why our game show is giving you something that instead is quite loud!
Loud?
Yes, a fire engine, Mr. Sabrino, a big, loud, red fire engine!